Welcome back to Serve Focus, everyone, or welcome if this is the first time. Today I'm going to be going over Operator Pro's Fanatic fulfillment system. Before I get into this, I just want to, first of all, a little disclaimer. I'm not affiliated with Operator Pro. I'm not working with Mike Piet. I've been following Operator Pro and what everything Mike's been doing over there since the very beginning, and I'm just a very big supporter. I don't use any affiliate links or anything like that when showing his products because I really don't want anyone to get the idea that this is anything more than just the best information out there that's really going to help their business and not just about getting you to buy something. I've been following Operated Pro since Mike started it a while back, I believe last year. Um, and I've been had the chance to get each and every one of his products, and they've all been extremely great and allowed me to really look at my business in a different light, do things differently, implement new processes, and it's just a lot of really great stuff. So just wanted to put that out there. But today we're going to be talking about the Fanatic fulfillment system. I believe this is getting released tomorrow. I was fortunate enough to be able to get in here early and start taking a look around. And I apologize if I get a little hypey. I do get a little excited about this stuff, especially the type of stuff that Mike's doing with Operated Pro, because this is so much more than just a training program. This isn't just, a bunch of videos telling you how to rank a website. This is the actual operating procedures, the exact systems Mike's using within his business to grow his business, automate his business, and scale it to the moon. And this is the type of stuff that no one in the industry is teaching and no one's really talking about. And when you think about it, the type of stuff that people teach, how to rank a website, Facebook ads, how to do this, all these different little tasks and kind of pieces to, of course, this big puzzle. But just the ability to rank a website, just the ability to do SEO, that doesn't have any value in it. You could rank a website. That's not how people make a lot of money in this industry. They do it by ranking a website, ranking another website, ranking another website, or getting a client, getting another client, getting another client. So the value in not just is not in just having these skills. It really comes down to being able to implement them and replicate them consistently over and over and over again. And that's how people really make money. That's where the value in business really is. It's within the systems, within the processes that allow it to run, essentially the gears within the machine that allow it to flow so you can put something in one end and have money come out the other. And what Mike is doing with Operated Pro, and especially with this fulfillment system program, which I personally think is the best one he's come out with so far, he's not just telling you how to do SEO, he's telling you how to scale SEO. He's not just telling you, uh, how to implement. He's not just telling you a skill. These aren't just actionable. This isn't actionable content. This is scalable content. This is something that you can plug into your current systems. You can, even if you don't have any systems now, just take it word for word and hire VAs and come in here and start having them look at the standard operating procedures. And it really just has everything you need, not just to do SEO. But for instance, this first section here, once you go through the overview, just talks about the program and how everything works. Onboarding a new client, actually bringing a client in, setting up their campaign, getting the required information. If you've had a client or even two clients or five clients, you know that once you start getting a couple clients, stuff gets all over the place. You need login information from this guy and you need hosting from that guy, and this guy has a problem with his server or something, and there's all these tiny little moving parts that need to be kind of lined up in a row and managed, and it becomes very, very hard to do. But this isn't just a course on how to provide SEO to the client. This is talking about right here actually bringing on the client, setting them up, getting everything you need done for them. And it's very interesting too, because if you don't already have a process built out in your uh, within your company, if you're just kind of doing the tasks, doing SEO, which a lot of people are doing, but it's really hard to scale or really get anywhere with that. But the one thing is once you start building out a process, and start implementing that into your business, you always run into roadblocks. Always. That's just a part of the way this works, and that's why this program is so valuable, because Mike has already gone through the roadblocks. He's already gotten to the point where this was a problem, that was a problem, and he created a system within the system to work around that, or found a way to make the system work efficiently, even though that we had that issue occurring. And it was very funny, actually. I just want to mention it because when I went to this virtual private server here, and this is something that I dealt with within my business too, but Mike talks about using a virtual private server to access client files and stuff like that, and how to do it so your clients, Google Plus and WordPress, they don't lock you out because your VA's accessing it from, another country, or you have all these different IPs from all over, signing into the site. And a lot of the times you'll get Google Plus will require re-verification, phone call. It's just a mess. And it's something that I ran into in my business, but it's apparent Mike has already been through this. He's identified this problem, and he's implemented a system to fix it so he can consistently get beyond that roadblock every single time, and he doesn't have to worry about it anymore. And that's why this type of program is so valuable compared to any type of SEO training course on the market that I've ever even seen. Whether it's how to get clients, or how to find clients, or how to execute, or whatever the skills that everyone's teaching in their training courses. Mike is the only person that I've seen that actually takes these skills and puts them into systemized processes that you can then take and just implement and scale. And it's just that simple. It's not even about learning how to rank a website. This is about scaling and ranking a ton of clients' websites. It's about bringing on a ton of clients and being able to manage them and not have the headaches, not have all the chaos and everything else that you deal with once you start coming across, even five clients can get a little bit crazy. And honestly, if you have some smaller clients, those ones can always be the hardest to deal with. And that's why this stuff, teaches you how to, not just teaches you, shows you and gives you the resources to be able to properly communicate with your client, keep them happy, keep them in the loop so they know what's going on. And the one thing I did like about this too is it's not just your basic stuff. Mike's incorporated YouTube into his SEO. If you're not incorporating video into your SEO, I'd highly suggest doing that. It's great for the clients. It's something that they can actually see, and it's tangible. And Mike doesn't just tell you here, get a video and put it on YouTube. He actually goes through the process of creating the video and the steps of actually uh, you know the outcome, the purpose, the actual step-by-step examples and everything about actually developing the video, optimizing the video, uploading the video, promoting the video. And it's not just a bunch of this isn't just a bunch of videos of him showing you how to do it. This is just a video that goes over the process that he's created here that allows you to implement this within your business and do it over and over and over again, and not have to deal with all the BS that comes along with it. So um, this is the on page section. This is obviously, and he puts up here, it's really nice. I like how he's got it in nice 5 little sections, but we got one time, one time, one time. These are things that you do, one time, or these specifically the onboarding and on page. You do these one time for the client and then it's done. And then he's got the off page and the reporting. And these are things that happen every single month, communicating with the client, building backlinks. So it's really nicely organized, and he really took out any of the fluff or any of the BS. It's just, here's the system, here's how it works, and here's the objective, what the outcome is, the big picture view, which is really nice to actually understand the big picture view before you start learning about training or anything like that. And he does that, and then he has these videos that walks you through the actual process and the standard operating procedures that he developed, just like a training course. You could literally have your VAs come in here and have them review the operating procedures and the videos so they can actually go over what they are, how they work. Um, and this is scalable stuff here. This is not just a training course. This is actual stuff that you could literally plug into your business and just have it start running like a machine. And I personally have my standard SOPs. I have certain things that I've already developed myself in my business. And going through this course, especially once you start getting into the reoccurring stuff, that's where setting up a process gets really difficult sometimes for people. But this has really going through here, it's really supplementing what I already have. I know, I have certain processes and how to build PBNs and different peoples within these systems that are doing different things. But for instance, here, just the breakdown of the type of uh, signals and the type of links and the tiny little parts. It's broken up into these, all the moving pieces that make up the ongoing SEO campaign. And just looking at how Mike manages it and how he, within his own business, keeps it consistent and keeps it moving without having to, look at every little detail every single day. I've been able to take a ton of those little tiny bits and kind of plug them into my business and with what I'm already doing. So the great thing about this is whether you have some systems in place, whether you have absolutely nothing in place at all, uh, I really think this is the product that every SEO should have. If you're not consistently bringing on new clients right now and fulfilling their campaigns without all the headache, if you aren't able to scale your business, or if you're not already making, $100,000 a month, $300,000 a month with your client SEO agency, this is something you want to dig into and look at and really start thinking about how you're going to automate and fulfill your client stuff without being, having to be involved with every little detail of your business. This type of stuff here, this is the stuff that allows you to have your business work for you instead of you working for your business. This is the type of stuff that it really makes the money, okay? Because it's not about being able to rank a website or being able to run a Facebook ad. It's about being able to produce results consistently over and over again. And honestly, at the end of the day, not driving yourself crazy trying to do it. So that's the fulfillment system. I believe I said it's coming out tomorrow. It's gonna be great. I highly suggest everyone get in on this, and don't just buy it and put it to the side. Buy it and go through each and every one of these videos. Look at the documents here. You can play the video on one half your screen and then have the doc over here and actually go through everything as they're going through the videos. And you really want to pay attention to this because this isn't just, like I said, how to rank a website. This is stuff that you can watch, learn, and then go right into your business and hire VAs or take the people you already have in there and just implement them and then just have it automated, have it going day in, day out consistently with the results you're looking for. And that's what this program is all about. So that's about it. Just wanted to let you know it's going to be awesome. I highly suggest everyone get in on this. You're going to regret it unless your business is working like a machine right now and cranking out consistent results for your clients. You're going to regret it if you don't get this material. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to ask in the Facebook group. I'll be in there. I believe Mike's in there as well. We'll get all your questions answered. Thanks for watching.